Did you know that it's just one number?
One number.
One number.
One number can get you to any heart institution in Jamaica.
One number.
All you need is one number.
99-43278.
Just one number.
It's easy as 99
Remember
heart.
that's one number.
99-43278.
To serve you faster, better, easier. Heart just 98. One number, many location. One number for all information.
With one number, you can reach any heart location. 876-994-3278.
I go 5.
What do you mean, how it go? Good evening, gateway.
I didn't know.
Why you never come testify, Goody?
5. What? You know what I feel for understand? It's not like say, we love Carlton and want a Carlton in my life. But you have to understand, say me I carry youth.
Oh, so I'm the bad guy now.
We could have used our statement, Aaron, and me could have taken the stand.
None of that would work, Angie.
You never try, Aaron. You just give up. And that them teach you in a law school?
Hold on there. Are you questioning my ability as a lawyer?
I did expect more from you, Aaron.
I expected more from you to Angie.
What that mean?
Listen, you even aware how much I save you from prison? I just lose my first case because of you, you know.
Because of me?
Because I don't want to go prison. Angie, you broke almost every rule. You issued an illegal subpoena. And you made up a statement from Slimmas. Angie, all of these things are criminal offenses.
So why you never use the mask from Slimma's house and the fingerprint from Debbie's house as evidence?
Angie, Slimmas testified that the man was good to them. So that simply means him used to visit them. So the mask could have been there.
So the last thing what I wish for happen to my child. For the father either him dead or him gone to prison. So now I just understand. Think about it. You would have testified?
Many things say, you know.
So how Bubbles share take it?
Why, Goody? I like somebody a force one pill down her throat. She not take it well.
Can't just imagine.
It's like she start lose it. Before me even leave, me hear she shout off for Aaron.
And Debbie?
Did you even get a search warrant to go into Debbie's house? Plus you're under strict orders not to investigate the man. That piece of evidence would have been thrown out.
So everything me do for put this criminal behind bars. Am I wrong?
Truthfully, yes. Angie, you make your emotions get the better of you. And remember, I tell you, you can't become a criminal to catch a criminal.
So Carlton Wallace gone back out into the world, scotch-free. After him destroy so much lives? That's a hard pill to swallow, Aaron.
Angie, You play the cards wrong. You're carrying this burden around, Angie. You need to let it go.
Aaron, I think we need some time ago.
What? What that mean?
Same thing Mama say. Me gonna need some time alone for myself.
Angie, a break you break up with me for mistakes where you make?
Aaron, me never say me a break up with you. Me just say me need some time alone.
You serious?
Aaron, no see.
You know, some think it's time for you to reach out to her.
Me 5? I'm supposed to be the last person she want to hear from now.
No,
Nah, try that.
like seriously, Goody. Just reach out to her and see what she do.
5, I know how Bubbles stay. I know she got have it say, and me alone could have probably saved the day. I know say she vex. I can't talk to her. Well, not now. I have to wait until she cool off.
Goody, kindly make it.
What? We hear that?
Them really thought in a court today. I don't know what happened, what take place. I just know say, him not come.
So you gonna manage 5?
Goody, let me talk to you. Just try to reach out to Bubbles. I'm gonna lie down.
Alright, come link me when you get some time here.
Alright.
Alright.
Yo, Kappa, you know the know. You know. Hurry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Rollington Town. One of them.
Up there. Big up my gunman friend.
Speng. Big man never do. You know, just the one Slimmas, you know. I don't know how you know see that time.
Yeah, man. I'm glad you're not trust her. You're not trust her neither. But you have to remember, you know Slimmas. You know she's capable of. You know every little dirty style she has. You see me? So, let's trust me and believe in me.
So, oh, you're not just her, but you expect here an entire turf. One entire turf to run off. You don't understand.
So I guess you ask why me never give you.
Well, yeah. Wonder why you never give me. Why you never give me? I mean, there with you. I'm loyal to you. Everything you're gonna give me, but you get me.
Yeah, man. How much time I tell you, say, don't make your emotions rule. Slimmas is not you. You is not Slimmas. What you want me to do?
But you're not just already.
Yeah, but what you know? You are my head back. You're loyal to me. What you want me to do? You don't want me to make Slimmas their own me and have you run off a turf?
Yo, wait for you down the road, you heard?
Alright.
Watch out. Do it fast.
Steady. Hey, Rasta boy, don't move, you know.
Alright, brother. Everything good, man.
Hey, Rasta boy, what the money be?
Brother, you sure you want to do this? You look like you're too used to that.
Hey boy, let call. Mr. What the money be?
Brother, you must say I want to shop this. See, don't even stop properly.
Hey boy, me boss a shot in your face, you know. Mr. What the money there?
What me know you from?
Hey boy, feel like a joke to you. What the money there?
Brother, if I'm money forward for everything, alright. We just clean out the till a while ago. Now about 50 grand in my pocket right now, brother.
Give me the man.
Everything good, brother.
Give me the man. Are you know you're going there?
Say everything
with the rest.
good, brother. Everything.
Give me the man.
Yo, Daddaz. We just catch a mosquito.
Slimmas can't protect me. We need you to do that. You see me? Diamond, remember say he's a thinker. You don't analyze the situation. You are my warrior. Me couldn't have Slimmas to protect me and have you run after. You overs me, I say now?
Boss, get what you have to say. You said one dozen gun over there. A rifle too. No, get it.
Diamond, I'm sure sir. A gun is a gun. But gun needs shot for work. Real. Me couldn't afford to get Slimmas the gun them and then gear they shot them too. I two different business that my friend. You see me? Yeah. So we have everything under control. But I'm very much aware say I might have to make two calls and I might have to pull up on two real. Yeah, we need to have a talk with certain players in our game. See it? killing me.
That mean you're alive.
Cuz, are you that?
Youth, where they pan? Come on, time enough for one.
And if you know where though, you violate the code, you know. Shoulda lose your life.
One thing me can tell you, you know, you're the luckiest boy I know in my life.
Yeah, that boy, cuz they say if you're never family, tonight, tomorrow, a bright light.
Youth, anyway your mother there, find her and kiss her and tell her say you love her.
Why, yeah, what is that, the youth? Look how long quick I want you, brother. Yeah, Kedisha says she have a combo in the night and this you want to come lose your life. Bad man, I better you go get a combo with a tea bag on the side, fam.
Carry, listen to me. See, money where you run down, this a money. Set the link, we can get it. So tomorrow Slimmas will get our money. You see me?
Yeah, me I say me Jimmy. Right now you look like a good youth, you know. That's the line of work you know you're a stylist. So what you more you do right now? But look at work. You hear that? Cause you see this for you, nah work back now.
Yeah, me I say now. And get up now. Get up.
Yo, Levisky.
Remember you know, but look at work.
Oi. Let me see him move forward.
You see how quick your family is.
You don't know?
John or the juvenile, them now have a clue what going on the
Lucky,
street,
you know.
That's a spoil of the thing though. I'm not supposed to shame right now, shame by here.
You know, if I never own a family, you know, brother, I'm going to cut him short in the shop, you know.
It's a lucky thing we fall down the well and tell you because no says a body would have to bury in the night, you know.
We'll have a drink and clear head, brother.
Rich is right, you know the code.
It's right.
Yeah, I mean.
You know, say man them take you for fool.
Dozen machine.
No rounds.
Right now you need to knock him and make him know what go on.
Me not call no man, brother. We have 4 loaded machine already. I it we go use and go for quick and Don Daddaz them.
So you think that's a good enough?
What you think you have brain for? For think. Them not go expect you to run up on them turf brawling.
Real meds, you know.
It name the element of surprise.
See, we attack them when them not expect it.
Here, it is. You go for the 4 machine them and bring the 6 extra extension them. Stone, you secure the drive and the wire.
Oh, go on, Slimmas.
So, Shoppy, what you say? I broke in at the shop?
Rocking. I left the back door open. As I open the front door, because I remember outside. Boy, have him gun in my face a long time. I talk about Rasta boy. Where the money there?
Oh, you say MC?
You are the same description where you give me. So I can't nobody else.
So, Shoppy, him a quick foot cousin?
When I call the daddaz them and them forward, me I realize that I save him.
So, Shoppy, suppose him come back. What you gonna do? You have to set some tighter measures in a brother.
Trust me, it have to be somebody else. Not him. Because him now have no chance of forward, yes. See me?
So, Shoppy, I want to really do to him. Because I know your style, you know.
I want to tell you, so we make him left the scheme. We make him left with him life. So it's right now, I'm sure say him go observe the code.
Well, Shoppy, hear what I say. You have to take sleep and mark it. How are this?
Everything alright? Nothing. Forward for drop off the food. You don't know the Don Daddaz words of them ban, you know. So from we say rare, a rare.
$500 cash. Good now?
Yeah, we're good. So we're the whole heap of artillery for brother.
Come on, Slimmas. We forward on your turf. If you come drop off $500,000. And you feel like we have to take check. Slimmas, something here. Worry about it, man. I feel one thing this, man. This big one, man. No say a soda and last one have a carriage on the deal with, man. Just out with the cape them in idea, you know? Just in case bat for fly, you see me?
Big boss, this not frightening, we know? Oh, I brought your dead pan.
Gorilla. Please, man. You go there and I doubt you, man. I'll tell you what your sword play, man. Yo. See, one shot fire, boy. Every exit black.
Every guns out. You hear that feather mount.
So if there's no further business, I bet on the cut.
Yeah, man. Our business done.
But our one just begun.
So right now, I'm about to stop at the shopping. So I'm going to use this as a precautionary measure. You know. If them two eyes that are dep on me, imagine how much eyes are dep on me when I put the things in the shop. Like I said, me, I'm going to use slave and mark them. You hear that?
Real. King, me did always loyal to you. So how you feel premise me this year?
Loyalty? Slimmas, you can't even spell loyalty. Imagine I give you something for manager and you decide say you get greedy enough to want it. And you never ever have a decency to come to me and look me in my face and tell me say you want that up. You send one of your minions. Like me as some little squab. Little girl where you hear about.
What you talk about? King the Black did need somebody serious for run it and you did get too soft.
I like how you say that. God to them I come for show you how tough me is.
What that mean?
The money! I come for collect the 500.
Collect what? Collect what?
Easy.
Never stop that.
Or
Or we could have always go back to the B plan. Enough executive member of the board there to make an executive decision and rid the nation of you and your peasant irritation.
Are that the panking? Ease up. You know you have to go talk to Speng about that.
Okay. Well, me could talk to Speng then.
Slimmas. I look like it's one ghost. Diamond. Diamond.
Speng where this from?
Slimmas. How much time have I tell you? War. Expensive.
Daddaz. Movements.
Big up to the martial arts man them, yeah?
Oh, before my finger. Same amount. Next month, every month. Expect my representative. Godmadda. Kinda cute. But Godmadda's diamond was a one king. Long live the king!
Yo, hey, me a murder every one of them. Every one of them me a murder. Remember me tell you that. You crazy? You crazy?
It is a check them thing.
Stone. Make 2 cards.
Chuck, yeah, look. Yeah, man, of them just leave it back, man. And I have safe for it. I found, yeah.
Yo, Speng. Why you not collect the gun, them?
How about them then?
Well,
A beer junk me gear.
yo, you not play now.
Everything fire to my friend. You see it?
See me better now, I swear.
Yeah. Everything fire.
Alright, that girl there.
I'll if you fling them then a fire. They can't fire. Hear that?
Wait. What going on, eh?
What going Father still?
Wait. You put on weight, good, eh? I have put on weight.
Wait.
So that's why I can't hear from DB. I ain't on family, man.
Father still, you know, say me and DB like nothing. We're not together no more, you know.
Seriously? I'm sorry for you, buddy.
What's that go? People grow apart and we have to move on with our life.
That's true. So what going on with the studio?
Him left everything around there, you know.
See you have a next number for him? Come here, call him and I'm not get him.
No, the same number I have.
Hopefully one of them there reach out to me, you know. The talented youth, you know. Really want them to reach their full potential, you know.
Talent was never the big problem, my father still. I just other things.
Why am I not standing up there? If you hear from him, tell him to lick me. Alright? Weird. Like, where you do to the place, you know?
Tell.
Oh, you don't have to come sit in and support the bar.
Anytime you're ready, father still.
Anyway, I may have a full day, so we link up, alright?
Alright. You know.
We are not completely out of the woods as yet. And the preservation of the next generation is paramount. We have to continue to push and urge all persons to be vaccinated, especially the young people.
Mr. Wallace.
Minister Wallace.
Minister Wallace, with this new variant out, are we protected with the same vaccine?
Basically, the data has shown that the hospitalization and deaths has been reduced significantly, especially among the vaccinated. So I'm urging all Jamaicans to be vaccinated.
With all due respect, my original question...
Mr. Wallace, Minister Wallace doesn't have much more time and we have other questions to answer. Next, please.
Thank you, Carl.
Minister Wallace, the country has been affected by crime at an alarming rate over the last 11 months, and we still have not heard any crime plan from your administration. How do you address this?
Thank you for your question. You're from CBN? Okay. Well, my colleague and I, the security minister, have sat and we have proudly put together a plan that will not only fight crime, but eliminate it if possible. I consider this to be a foolproof plan. And of course, we'll make it public in a few weeks from now.
So, Minister, there's no part of this plan that you can share with us at this point?
What I can tell you is that we're seeking the death penalty for anyone found with an illegal gun, including members of my administration.
Minister Wallace, isn't that a bit drastic?
Minister Wallace really doesn't have much more time and we only have room for one more question.
Sir, there has been questions swirling around that your brother, Carlton Wallace, might be taking up a vacant space in your administration. Is that true?
again with the questions that are not relevant for this gathering and this press conference. But Mr. Wallace is here. You can ask him directly.
I've been toying with the idea of getting involved in a more significant way of serving my country for a while now, and politics seems to be the best way. And you know, I have the good guidance of my brother, so why not?
I'll be the first to admit that I'm no politician, but I'm willing to learn on the job. And I promise you, I'll put my country first.
Godmadda, but run gone in politics now.
You know, say it's going impossible for we reach him now.
It's a hard, yes. But know this, nothing is impossible. You think about testifying and feel favors for nothing?
But them position, you know, it's an untouchable position, you see.
Speng and King style me immediately. Don Daddaz them sell me out. And the brother there, take my sister alive. 2 months now, me and work and I say nothing.
But remember, still in a them circle in a mama.
A trainer mama can't do style.
Them could have take with 3 pints, you know.
Brother, you know see them move me from around the table. And I come give my orders now like me as some waste girl. Here what? Them are no big issue right now. But me learn one thing. Me not drink my soup on it hot. Your sight. Mr. Wallace. Go have fun with Dan. Your time will come.
What about the allegations of shady dealings, including murder and kidnapping?
Yes, and narcotics.
Mr. Wallace, did you kidnap your ex-wife?
And shoot Kyle Cunningham.
And what about Deborah Pottinger?
Well, it's okay. It's fine, Carlton. I'll deal with this. Miss Gold, I find these questions to be very unprofessional and baseless. You're all a part of the media houses that know that my brother was acquitted of all these trumped-up charges, right? And has been cleared. So for you to be attacking him like this, with these ridiculous questions, is ludicrous. Caroline, we have to vet all these press houses that we're meeting with when we're going to have these kind of meetings going forward.
The minister has a very tight schedule, so he has to leave him down. Thank you for coming.
You know something like you already?
Yeah man, and you know so this is gonna be my second bar work so far. I'ma love the place. I'ma love my boss so far. My boss just full of vibes and beer things. So you know say, me have to bring the vibes to the bar.
Alright then, good. And you say you're good for work on public holidays, right?
Good like that.
Alright, and the hours good too, right?
Everything ready.
Alright, no problem. So next week, you ready for the work?
Next week? I'm thinking that ask me if I'm ready today.
No man, I have some little final touches of my want with the place. So next week officially start.
Alright then.
Yeah.
So let's see you. Thank you very much and thank you.
Will you see him again?
Denise.
Denise?
Yeah.
Alright, no problem.
Alright. So thank you very much again, Miss Goody.
Alright.
at the trick. Put it on me, I'ma turn and twist. I give the money, but not back from it. Big man thing. Me a breeder boy.
Carlton, you can't change a cologne now.
Why am I change it? Are you buy me the cologne, remember? So, you say me wear it well.
That's like 15 years ago. You can't change it now.
Why? You ever hear them say if it ain't broke, don't fix it?
Yeah, but
so why change something that don't need to be changed?
Sometimes change is good.
That's debatable.
Carlton, what's the purpose of your visit today?
Well, but just come to see how the work are going. I mean, come on, 2 months now, I'm not see you.
You talk like we're in a relationship and you're supposed to come visit me regular.
Alright, Simone, yes, we know we're not in a relationship, but I mean, you know.
Yeah. We're supposed to can live like two still adults, right?
Exactly.
Your favorite words.
Oh boy. But like the little touches we make to the place though, and new addition, it look cozy. But the workman them a move slow though. I mean, I see them cut the drain and them do like a painting, but I think I reach further than this.
Them have other work.
What? But we pay them to focus on this.
Hey, nobody come in and come load up your mouth, sir. It's me give them to go ahead for go look a little roast. Remember say Christmas holiday, you know? Just when you know where you coming for a play supervisor, take your foot, man.
Okay, ma'am. Just want make sure them now, you know, linger out the job though. Cause them and I work for hire. I pay them one time. So the amount of days that them spend them I get paid for.
The most important part them done already. The bar can reopen while the little minor details them I put to you.
You get a bartender yet?
No.
Simone, I realize say you know ask me nothing about the trial.
What am I to ask you?
About the verdict.
I'll tell me know the verdict already. You want to stand up right to say we did lose the case. Must say you beat the case.
Yep. The justice system still work.
You know, say me are the wrong person for you bring the conversation into, don't it? Because this is the one time me believe so the system fail.
You mean that?
But look at me a joke.
Wow. So you still hate me that much?
My system can't harbor that much hate. Not right now.
So, if you feel that the justice system fail, why you never come testify against me?
To save a life.
Save a life? Who for life?
This life.
Simone, you pregnant?
I'm not bloated, I'm bloated.
For who? The? Yeah, man?
No. You.
You can get up now.